Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking render and camera settings. Do that now. Switch to cycles or EV, then pick filmic color management and lower exposure to about -2 to -5. This gives you true night range. Make the world nearly black or set strength to 0. 0 so scene lamps define the night. Once done, hide any daytime emissive textures. Make sure to save a quick version. This prevents accidental reversion to daytime brightness while you build real lights. You now add the actual lights that create night mood. Place spot or point lights where lamps, streetlights, and windows belong. Set fall-off to inverse square and tweak strength like wattage, not arbitrary numbers. Add small emissive planes for screens and neon. These read as practicals. Blend a warm key light with a cooler, dimmer fill to keep contrast readable. Once balanced, add light linking to limit contributions. Make sure to use soft shadows and adjust size for realistic penumbra. Finish by polishing exposure and post-processing. Use curves to lift the deepest shadows slightly and compress highlights so glows don't blow out. Add bloom or glare sparingly for practicals and denoise the final image. Adaptive sampling helps preserve bright glints. If you see clipping or ugly hot pixels, reduce camera exposure or lower offending light strengths instead of brightening everything. If noise persists, increase samples for small bright sources. This single fix prevents grain without.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.